Hello students, today we are going to see the timeline actually. We finished the first lesson. Before starting the second lesson, we can see the timeline. So first one, 1252, 1252. Mangu Khan became the great Khan actually. Mangu Khan appointed Kubali Khan the governor of China actually. Who is that? Mangu Khan, he is a king. He is became a great Khan. He only appointed the Kubali Khan for governor of China. 1347, Alauddin Bahman Shah set up the Bahmani Sultanate. So founded the Bahmani Sultanate in 1347. The capital of Bahmani Sultanate is, what is it? Bidar. Result 1 mark. 1453, the capture of Constantinople by the Turks. Actually, in first lesson we finished with this point only. In 1453, Constantinople captured by Turks. They only Saint Sophia Church was changed into Masjid actually. That's it. So that the 1453 they captured Constantinople by the Turks. Historians call the period between the 476 AD to 1453 AD is Middle Age. Okay, so that's only Stone Age, Middle Age, and Modern Age. So based on this only, 476 to 1453 will be called as Middle Age. 1498, Portuguese arrived on west coast of India. The coming of the European begins with the Portuguese. So Europeans started to enter into India. Especially first Portuguese they entered in 1498. They entered west coast of India. Okay. 1498, Vasco da Gama landed on the Kerala coast. 1498, Vasco da Gama entered on the Kerala coast, sailed around the land of the Good Hope. Good Hope, where it is? Africa. That especially Africa, South Africa is there, no? At bottom of the Africa continent. That curve will be called as a Good Hope in South Africa. 1503, the Portuguese built their first fort in Cochin. Okay, the Portuguese built their first fort in Cochin. Goa was captured by Portuguese in 59. Small correction. Actually, 1503, the Portuguese built their first fort at Goa, not Cochin. Okay, the Portuguese built their first fort at Goa, not a Cochin. It's a typing mistake. So change it. So Goa was captured Portuguese in 1510. Okay, I will clarify the doubt actually. Okay, then 1526, the consolidation of the Muslim rule was started under the Mughals in the north. The consolidation of Muslim rule was started under the Mughals in the north. The consolidation of Muslim rule was started under the Mughals in the north. In 1526, the first Panipat war happened. No, that is a year. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi and consolidated the Mughal emperor. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi and consolidated the Mughal empire. So after finishing the Panipat war only, the Mughal empire started to survey in our India. Okay. Yeah. Which we typed no. 1503, the Portuguese built their first fort at Cochin. Yeah, it's correct. Not at Goa. Cochin only, correct data. 1503, the Portuguese built their first fort at Cochin. It's correct. Okay. Goa was captured by Portuguese in 1510. The same Portuguese captured the Goa in 1510. 1526, already we seen that. 1526, the Panipat war. At the same time, Muslim rule was started under the Mughals in the north. The 1526, the Mughal Empire was founded by Babur. The Mughal Empire founded after first Panipat war. That's only we see. Okay. 1565, Deccani Sultanate defeated Vijayanagar Empire. Deccani Sultanate, near to 5 kingdoms are together they joined and defeated Vijayanagar Empire in 1565. That battle will be called as a Battle of Talaikota. That battle will be called as a Battle of Talaikota. 1945, the UNO, United Nations Organization, was formed. The UNO was formed after the Second World War. After the Second World War. The next one, the original constitution which came into force 1950. The original constitution which came into force with effect from 26th January 1950. The original constitution which came into force with the effect from the 26th January 1950. The original constitution did not contain the fundamental duties. Fundamental duties is there, no? When they started the original constitution, there is no fundamental duties. After the some of the years only, it was included in the constitution. The central government amended the Hindu Succession Act 2005. By the act, women are given equal shares in inheritance of undivided property. Okay, rights is there, no? Okay, in the what is that? Rights of property is there, no? That was removed actually from the fundamental right. Why means in property women also having the equal right, no? So based on that it was removed. So based on this 2005, the central government amended the Hindu Succession Act. By the act, women are given equal shares in the inheritance of the undivided property. Then 2009, Right to Education Act. RTE is an act the Parliament of the India enacted a free and compulsory education for the children 6 to 14 years. Compulsory education. In that also we have some of the changes for the in the current education policy. Okay. 2012 POCSO, Protection of Children from the Sexual Offences Act. 2012 POCSO. We want to pronounce that POCSO. Expansion for that means Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. According to that 2012, it's a criminal activity. Okay, it was included in criminal. Okay, it will be considered as criminal activity. Next one, 2014, Kailash Satyarthi received a Nobel Prize for the Peace Recipient. He is a founder of Bachpan Bacho Andolan and many other child rights organizations. He recover near 85,000 plus children from the explosion actually. So based on that, Mr. Kailash Satyarthi received the Nobel Prize. Okay, so revise it properly. And what's a homework means? Prepare one. What is it? Sorry, you can collect the data. What is it? You can collect the data about the what are the futures of the current education policy. It was introduced in our parliament 2020 only. Okay, current education policy. Okay, so based on that, prepare one. What is it? Complete data about the education policy. Complete data about the education policy. It's a homework. Okay, write the homework about the education policy of 2020. Okay, it's a homework. Okay, at least minimum 20 point you want to write. At least minimum 20 point you want to write about the education policy 2020. It's a homework. Okay. Okay, do your work on time, send it on time. Okay, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.